I gotta study.
You'll get an F anyway. F for stupid.
Oh, she'd fuck anyone. Chicks, dudes, didn't matter. Fat guys, skinny guys, guys who climb on rocks, dogs, cats, squirrels, bugs, snails. She fucked a snail. I watched her fuck a snail once. That sounds weird, right? Just hearing me say it? Imagine how weird it was to see it. She fucked a snail!
Masturbate to cartoons.
Name a woman.
What?
Name a woman.
What?
Name a woman.
What? Fox?
Don't be sad that I'm gone. Be glad that I happened.
Favorite.
This life ain't worth living. Won't you die tonight for love? Join me before you die.
Never let me spend the night, Squibble. Good night, son. You good, son. Good night, dude. Nah, truth that fucking booty.
Computer, show me 2 dudes doing it. Computer, show me 2 chicks doing it. Computer, show me 2 anime dudes doing it.
I'm overstimulated. Back away slowly or approach at your own risk.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, make it spray like it.
Yo, why the fuck am I always yawning when I'm playing with you, bro?
Because
Damn.
your mouth's wide open for my penis.
Ah, no.
One big room full of bad bitches. One big room full of bad bitches.
Why have things been so weird around here lately?
My daddy makes me put glass in my vagina.
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, you look awful!
Are you two in a romantic relationship? Ooh, love is in the air.